Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Last video we looked how to get validation when you pass wrong. But in this video we will see about reporting. So in this week washing app, display here this reporting menu. Now go to this menu and provided here this menu daily operation report. Now easily click on, select here your date and now select here this company and now use this print report for print as a PDF format. Now open it and display here your daily operation report as a PDF format with selected date, your company name. Now first of all display here this all counters with total orders, how many order delivered, how many order cancel state, total revenue and average of tickets. Now next display here is service background, which type of available this service for orders. So here basic wash, count on with revenue and average time. Also display here the staff performance with average rating. Next into order sources, where to count this. So display here on the website total 5 count and available new membership total 6. How many membership cancelled? So display here the 0 because not available for in cancel state and total active is 1. So you can easily print here this daily operation report of vehicle washing with order source, membership activity, staff performance. Next video in we will see about basic configuration related to this vehicle washing. Thank you.